Hi, good afternoon, children. Today, regarding 9th class biology, apart from third chapter, animal tissues, coming to the second type of tissue, connective tissue. In this connective tissue, already we discussed about that the areolar tissue, adipose tissue, bones, cartilage, ligaments, tendons, and story of blood, and the amazing aspects of blood. Apart from that, blood grouping identification, and blood grouping table. Now, in this video, exclusively we are going to explain about the lab activity. In this video, we are going to explain about identification of our blood group with blood grouping kit. Identification of our blood grouping with blood grouping kit. Usually, every year in our science fair, we are going to demonstrate, we are going to explain, we are going to convey the blood grouping among the children who are interested to, we have to convey their blood grouping by using this identification of the blood grouping kit. So now I would like to explain based on the textbook pictures, supporting pictures. Let me how to follow the how to identify the blood grouping in a simple manner. Within 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, let me how to know about blood grouping. As I said in the previously, blood transfusion, blood donation or blood receiving at the time particularly, it is a mandatory thing. Let we have to know about our blood grouping. Unknowingly we are injecting or donating the blood grouping, it causes to lead to death of the person. So it is a severe crime, so that everybody having to know about their blood grouping. It is a very useful to that blood donation time, in any emergency time, in any accidental cases, we save the lives of the people, and it is very interesting to know about the blood relations in our society, even in our classroom. If suppose in our classroom we are having the same blood grouping persons, so this is a interesting aspect of blood relation. Of course, we are having the parent relation. This is the second type of relation, is called as a same blood grouping relation in our classroom or in our society. So in that emergency time, even though our parents are having a different blood groups, they are not unable to donate the blood, it is not suitable to ours. So that in that particular time, the same blood group person can donate the blood and we receive the blood and we save our life. So blood donation is a best method. The blood can save the lives. So blood donation also a very good habit. So it is nearly 18 years to 60 years who are having the healthy aspects, who are having the healthy condition, they are able to donate the blood and save the lives. So coming to the blood grouping lab activity. Blood grouping lab activity. Let us focus on that this textbook page number 32. Please everybody can open your textbooks. Apart from that, these my explanation part. After completion of this explanation, once again you have to read the total 9 steps which involves in identification of the blood grouping. This is very important. So let us coming to that. What is our aim? Identification of blood group. What is our aim? Identification of blood group. So what are the materials required for identification of blood group is blood identification kit. So this is the blood identification kit and storage. Next, apart from this glass slides, it is available in our glass slides box. Wax coating pencils or earbuds also we can use, or matchsticks which we remove the head portion, and disposable needles is a very important materials. Disposable needles. Next, cotton and toothpicks, and 70% of alcohol for cleaning the finger which we have to collect the blood to free from the pathogens. So obviously all these materials or apparatus as included in that one kit, that is called as a blood grouping kit. Blood grouping kit, it is available in that market in the some chemical stores, some chemical stores. So coming to that blood grouping kit, so first and foremost thing is, it is always be keeping in the some cool places. I mean that 2 to 8 degrees centigrade when it is not in use. I mean that all the reagents should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, means it is always keeping in the freezing condition. When we are required, that time only we have to use, and the rest of the time it will be keeping in the freezing condition. So what are the components are there, and how many serial numbers are there, and what is the quantity that we have to see the picture. So first thing is so the first one is blood grouping identification kit. We are having total 7 numbers, serial number 1 to 7. Components are anti-A serum, anti-P serum, and anti-RHD serum, and Perclane white plate, and wax pencil, needle. Next instruction manual. So coming to the anti-A serum 5 ml, and anti-P serum 5 ml, anti-RHD serum 5 ml. So this we can change. For example, we need more number. For example, we would like to convey the blood grouping for 200 members, 300 members. It will be available in the in a large quantity. So based on the requirements, we are going to purchase this blood grouping kit. So the materials required not included in that kit: cotton, 70% alcohol, and toothpicks. Mean these cotton, alcohol, toothpicks are not included in the blood grouping kit, but it is essential to follow the procedure. So procedure number one to total we are having 9 points. So we can explain one by one point. It is a very easy to understand the blood grouping identification. So we can go to the explanation part.